Hello friends, I'm Savi and I am back today with some more tips. This time on how to crack the general writing task 1 of the IELTS examination. All the general candidates are aware of what is there in task 1 writing. Yes, you're right. It's letter writing. And friends, this is not going to be a formal letter writing. It is more of a semi-formal letter writing where they give you a situation and always the situation is followed by 3 points. The examiner, they want you to answer the 3 points. So make sure that when you write your answer, all the 3 points are addressed. For this reason, as always, I tell my students, plan your answer. So in the beginning of the section, you have the total time limit for you is 20 minutes. So take out 2 to 3 minutes in the beginning. Plan what are you going to write, what is the situation, what are the 3 points, what am I going to write in these 3 points. Then write your answer. And towards the end, keep 2 minutes to check your answer. That is the best way to address this task. So I'm sure if you follow this tip, you are going to have a great time cracking the writing task
Continue பண்ணு.
the writing task 1 of the general examination of the sorry.
பரவாயில்ல அந்த லைன் ஃபர்ஸ்ட்லேருந்து
If you follow these tips, I'm sure you will be able to crack the letter writing task of the IELTS general module. So wish you all the best. Keep practicing. If you need more support, expert guidance, get in touch with us. Our contact details and website details are provided below. See you then.